I know I was missing in action over the weekend, but I really couldn't help it. The week was crazy. I was traveling, shooting back to back, this cold and this heat. So my body needed the rest, so I've taken good rest and I'm back today for day 4 sharing detail for today, which is cantaloupe, our great old kharbuja. It is great to eat cantaloupe because it's a seasonal fruit. It builds your immune system. I've been coughing miserably, works on my lungs, prevents cancer, stress, weight loss. First thing first, add kharbuja to your daily diet, and then don't throw away the seeds because that's what we're going to use to make our face pack cum face scrub. My skin is breaking out and super dry because of this cold, so it is going to be a great source of moisturization. I think it's one of the best smelling packs homemade packs I've put on my face. It smells amazing. I think the olive oil and the melon really helped me take off the dryness. There's still redness of my face. I think it's gonna come down eventually.